Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel with an update on Pfizer, primarily Pfizer, but I'm going to go over a couple other stocks. A lot of people asking, Pfizer got approved, why is it going down? And, well, a lot of the coronavirus stocks seem to be going down. So not exactly sure, but I'm going to give you my speculation. This is for entertainment purposes only, but more than likely a lot of this information is correct. So that's one important thing. Well, first of all, a lot of people are saying that the coronavirus companies have been overbought, and that's why even though Pfizer got approved, they're going down. I would have to disagree with that statement simply because of the simple fact that we're looking at a lot of companies like Tesla. When Tesla had their quarterly meeting and earnings report, they went down. Sadly, the media said that they were disappointing, but all the news that they released during the quarterly report all of a sudden is rah-rah, and their stock is actually shot up quite a bit. So they were at close to 500, then they dipped down to 400. Now they're shooting up to, well, they were close to 700. So just to let you know, that all happened within about a month and a half time. I'm actually a Tesla bull also, but just to let you know, that's something that happened. Now that Pfizer got approved and they're announcing they got approved, like a lot of the vaccine stocks, they actually dipped, which was, in my opinion, strange, but you want to call it market manipulation. Some big companies also spoof the market. Number two reason, a lot of people are saying that they're not going to make any money. And the reason that I'm hearing online is because many people don't want to take the vaccine. And I'm not disputing that fact. I've heard it from my other people. And of course, if you got the coronavirus, you do not really need to take the vaccine if you don't want to because you already got it. I kind of think that some people are going to take it anyways. So I'm going to go over math and information, and I think those are the two main reasons. Market manipulation, and people are saying that they're not going to make any money because nobody wants to take the vaccine. And keep in mind, those are just things I'm seeing online. So, here's my math on the whole situation. There is 7.8 billion people in the world, approximately. So let's say half do not want to take it. That leaves 3.9 billion people left that will take the coronavirus vaccine. And I'm going to use this number. The reason I'm going to use 29 is because Pfizer initially sold doses for $19.50. Only 100 million. They're going to be selling them north of that. Where that number is, I don't know. And some people that I looked at that were doctors, investors, and I actually, if you saw my other video, prices are all over for vaccines. They're close to 200. They're close to $10. But Moderna said they were going to charge 37. So that being the case, I'm going to be conservative and say 29 is the number. So let's lose 29, 3.9 billion. That's $113.1 billion in sales for the coronavirus vaccines globally. Pfizer's first to market. Moderna most likely will be number 2 to market. I'm just telling you the facts. So let's go with that statement. Correct. Half the people in the world aren't going to take it or don't want it. That's still 113 billion, 0.1 billion in sales. And that's a conservative number if you ask me. Okay, could it be less? Yes, of course. Could it be more? In my opinion, more than likely. If Moderna is saying they're selling their doses for $37, more than likely it's going to be higher. All right, so now let's look at Moderna. Moderna's charging $37 per dose. You also need 2 doses for one treatment. Pfizer is $19.50 for their first 100 million doses sold in the United States. After that, they're going to be more competitive and they're charging more. I could not find any pricing. If anyone knows anything about the pricing, please comment below. Let me know what it is. And please tell me where you got it, because I hate it when people tell me things and, you know, I don't know where they got it. They just probably made it up or something. I try to base my information on facts or a speculated guess based on something reasonably intelligent. All right, so if you're looking at the numbers, I'm going to show you this photo here that I had before that I got from the Wall Street Journal. Pfizer's contract for 1.95 billion is 100 million doses in the United States. The total pre-orders Pfizer has is 950 million, excuse me. So I'm going to estimate that at, actually I did this, I don't know why, $29.50. And Moderna is at 37. Pfizer's first 100 million is at 19.50. So, yeah, I kind of shot in the middle. This is obviously an estimate, which may not be correct, but more than likely it's too low. So just keep that in mind. The additional order income is 28 billion and 25 million. So, I mean, that's their current pre-orders. And this article is from like a month ago. So when you're looking at it, they're going to probably be getting more orders from other countries. That makes the Pfizer minimal, in my opinion, revenue 29,975 million for 2021. That's their minimum. And my other estimate before for Pfizer only is about 58 billion. And the main reason is, first of all, they're first to market. And next of all, they have a higher capacity to produce more, and more people will probably be requesting the Pfizer vaccine. And when I say this is a low number, keep in mind you need 2 doses to get a Pfizer. Well, you should get 2 doses if you want the 95% efficacy rates that they're quoting. You can get 1 dose, but it's not going to be as effective. So they recommend two. So I have a $19.95 sale price. Technically, it's 40. If you want to count at 40 per one, this number, in my opinion, is too low. They're going to be closer to 58 million, my original estimate. Additional revenue, that's Pfizer. The other reason why I think Pfizer is going to be the leader as far as sales and Pfizer is going to turn around, Warren Buffett invested in Pfizer. Now, I know they invested in other companies, but when I researched this a while ago, the only company that is involved in the vaccine that he invested in was Pfizer. That's for production. If I'm wrong, comment below, let me know. I did not do more research, but when I first researched this, that's what I found. So now the question is, Pfizer dropped. Why? Well, I just told you, is now a good time to buy Pfizer. This is for entertainment purposes only, not investment opportunities for me to tell you to buy or sell. You have to make your decision. But based on the information I provided, you could probably guess what I'm doing. So smash a like button if this helped you. Share this with a friend. Subscribe if you're new, and if you're returning, welcome back. It's Pete from the Small Business Resource Center.com. Have a great day.